Hey second graders, this is our second place value video. So if you have not watched the first place value video, you need to go back and watch place value video 1. This is place value video 2, so our objective has remained the same. I can understand that numbers are made up of different amounts of hundreds, tens, and ones. Our way we know we have it has changed, so let's look. I can use place value blocks, important words, place value blocks to represent a three-digit number. When I can answer these two questions, I know I have it mastered. So, how many groups of tens make 500? And what would a model of 476 look like? So I need to know groups of 10, and I need to know a model. Okay? A model is a way to represent a number, so a picture, for example. Here are our place value blocks. Now, in class, we have actual units, longs, and hundreds blocks. But I don't have these all available to me at home. So up here I see I have a unit, a long, and a hundreds block. So here I'll show you again. Here's what a unit looks like. It's very small, and I need 10 of them to build a long. I need 10, so here. Okay. So as we've discussed in class, we also need 10 longs to make 100. So we would need 10 groups of 10 to build 100. Now, here I've placed them in a place value chart, which we did in place value video 1. So I have my ones, tens, and hundreds. And now I have a model to represent each one of those numbers. So this right here would be like the number 1, right? And that's our place value of ones. This would be one group of 10, so I would have either one group of 10, or I remember the number 10, you know. And here I have 100, and I know what 100 looks like. But focusing down here, I can now read this number in standard form. I have 111. Oh, now let's try number 358. So I'm going to build my place value chart. And sort my number. This was all done in the first video, so I'm just going to quickly do it. 8 ones, 5 tens, 3 hundreds. Okay, well I can use that same idea to help me draw these pictures. So I'm going to draw another place value chart, ones, tens, and hundreds. But now I'm going to build a model. So I'm going to use units for my ones place. I have 8 ones, I need 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Now in the tens place, I have 5 tens. Here's the model of a 10. I'm going to make 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make sure we don't get confused. And now I can do the hundreds. I have 3 in the hundreds place. So I see my hundreds. I'm going to make my model. 100, 200s, 300s. So now I have my hundreds, tens, and ones drawn using place value blocks. Let's do one together. For the next part of this video, you will need a pen and paper if you are at home, or your whiteboard and whiteboard marker if you are in class. Please pause the video while you get your supplies. Start the video again when you're ready to continue. Now, you are going to do the number in blue on your whiteboard or paper. Your number is 417. My number is in black. I am going to do the number 143. So let's start by putting it into our place value chart. Pause the video while you put your number into a place value chart. Start the video again when you are ready to continue. My place value chart has 3 ones, 4 tens, and 100. Your place value chart should have 7 ones, 1 10, and 4 hundreds. Now, let's go ahead and make the model of our number. I'm going to start in the ones place. So I'm going to build another place value chart. And in my ones place, I'm going to draw as many units as I have in my ones section. My number has 3 ones, so I need 3 units. 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. Pause the video while you make your next hundreds chart and put the number of units into your ones place. Start the video again when you are ready to continue. You should now have a place value chart with ones, tens, and hundreds. And I can see that I have 7 ones, so on your board, in your ones place, there should be 7 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you do not have 7 units, please pause the video while you correct it. When you're ready to continue, please start the video again. My number, 143, has 4 tens. So in my tens place, they need to match. So I'm going to use my longs for my tens place. I need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 longs. Now on your number, you have 417. How many tens do you have? Pause the video while you draw the model of your tens in the tens place. Start the video again when you're ready to continue. Great. You have 1 10. The 1 kind of looks like a long. Here is my long. I need 1 long. Okay. Finally, I'm going to look at my hundreds place. In the number 143, I have 1 in the hundreds place. So I need 1 hundreds block. So I'm going to draw 1 in the hundreds place. Your turn. Your number, 417. How many hundreds does your number have? Pause the video while you draw the model of the hundreds into your place value chart. Start the video again when you're ready to continue. Okay, I see there are 4 hundreds, so I need 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need to draw all the lines. This is just fine for a model. Now, you should have the number 417 modeled, and I have the number 143 modeled. The sections should match up. There are 3 ones and 3 ones. There's 4 tens and 4 tens. There's 100 and 100 block. Pause the video to make any corrections you need. If your board does not look like the one for 417, stop the video now and go back to the beginning. When you are ready to continue, start the video. Here are your I-dos. What I would like you to do on this page is make your place value chart. Hundreds, tenths, and ones with the model of your number. With the model of your number. So you need to do that for 294, 376, and 106. Then see if you can answer our two problems from the beginning of the lesson. How many groups of 10, I know that it's a long, will make 500? And what would a model of 476 look like? Remember to use the strategy we have practiced today. When you are finished, please take your paper or whiteboard to your parent or teacher. They will tell you if you are ready to move on. If you are not ready to move on, please go back to the beginning of this video or place value video 1 and watch both. If you are ready to move on and have been given permission, please watch the next video. See you next time.